Hi, welcome to the How to series of T-Reports 03.0. In this section, we will explore some of the new features of T-Reports 03.0. We have given two types of reports. One is data reports, where the data is shown in tabular format, all on one screen. We have created a separate tutorial for data reports. And the second type of report is pivot reports. In this tutorial, we will see the pivot reports. Let's open one report in pivot report type. We will open item-wise vouchers report. It will show us the parameter window. In first section, it will ask you in which type of report you want to see the data. We will select pivot report. In second section, on first tab, it will ask you the from date and to date. The data will be selected in the report in between these two dates. On second tab, it will allow you to select the fields which you want to see in the report. You can select the fields as per your requirement. Then click on the Show button. The report will be shown in Pivot Report window. In the Pivot Report window, you can see two major vertical parts. At the left side, there is a panel area. At the topmost side of the panel, there is the field list. You can insert the fields in the report from the field list by clicking on the check boxes or by dragging and dropping the fields in the below areas. There are 4 areas. You can use these areas to design the report as per your requirement. Filters area. You can put those fields in this area which will be used to filter the data, but those fields will not be shown in the data grid. The values in the data grid can be filtered by clicking right-click on the respective field and then selecting the Field Settings menu. There you can select single or multiple values. The selected values will be shown in the report. Columns area. Pivot report can expand vertically as well as horizontally. You can put those fields in columns area for whose each unique value will be shown in separate columns. This is used to create the columnar reports. Rows area. You can put those fields in the rows area for whose each value will be shown in separate rows. This will expand the report vertically. Values area. You can put those fields in the values area on which the aggregation like sum, average, count will be shown as per row and column cross section. At right side, it will show the data grid. The data grid will get updated automatically whenever the content of any 4 areas changes. You can drag any field from the field list and drop in any of the 4 areas. You can rearrange the columns by changing the position of the fields in the 4 areas in the panel. You can also shift the fields from one area to another area. This will change the report format. So this was all about the pivot reports in T-Reports 03.0. For more information, visit our website www.treports.in or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.